Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and what I did on Firefox, I'm going to do on Internet Explorer as well. So Control T is a new tab, but you also have another option. Alright, that's weird, but that's Internet Explorer for you. If you have one tab already, you can press Control K and it will duplicate that tab. Of course, backspace is back, but you go back to nothing. So everything's going a bit slowly. For God's sakes. Alright, so yeah, oh no shit. What else do we have? We have Control W to close a tab. We've got Control J to view downloads, if that will work. Because I don't have any downloads, so I cannot see anything. Well, here you can see already home is Alt Home, like I said. And you got a different one. You got this one. So that's Alt C. Go. Which will list your favorites, your feeds, and your history. So you got everything in one go, as it were. Alright, Internet Explorer is such a drag. Alright, and you have Alt X, which will give you the whole options menu, which you can use your arrow keys to kind of move around. And you can see here print. Is Control P is just print file full screen. I did not mention it, I think, in my Firefox video, but full screen's F11, which I can show you. Well, Control F is find, Control S is save as, caret browsing is F7, but you hardly ever use that anymore. Zoom in and zoom out, you can see it here. Control plus, Control minus, Control 0. Safety, you can do Control Shift del to delete browsing history, and Control Shift P here is also private browsing. And I want to show you this. So this is full screen, as you can see, and F12 is developer tools, and you will get well, no, they did not steal this at all from other browsers. Alright, anyway, you can see everything here. You can see the CSS, your console, you can some script debugging if you want to see if something goes wrong somewhere. I have no idea what profiling is, and network, I'm guessing you can see what is being sent. Like here you can see what is being sent and stuff like that. So which is quite annoying, and it will download all the videos, so it's not capturing. And if you go to details view, you see the request headers and body and everything. It's like what we do with temper data and live HTTP headers, and here it's in one, but that does not make it better or something. And you can have, well, this is all for the tool itself, so I'm not going to go into much detail on that. if you press Alt, well, normally if you press Alt, oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is very annoying. Right, normally Alt brings up a file menu, but as this is Internet Explorer, you cannot count on anything. Oh, they do that as Alt now? That's weird. Normally that's Tab. Oh, here now it works. You cannot just not see it. Oh, cool. Alright, now you have to trust me on the fact that Alt brings up a menu like file edit and stuff like that. As you can see here, this is a menu there, but I cannot see it. That's the problem. So this is the file menu, edit menu, the view menu, favorites. I'm guessing this is tools or something like that. And this is about or help. We can do this, and you do not have a tracking protection list, so you can get one online. You can get everything online, and there is something called accelerators on Internet Explorer, which are like, well, they're not really add-ons, but sort of like add-ons. It's so funny that I hardly ever use Internet Explorer because it's just too unstable. It's too unstable. Alright, so you have the kids and teens tracking list, protection list, the standards, the easy list, easy privacy, the enhanced privacy, fanboys. Yeah, so you got a bunch of privacy. Stop Google tracking, for example. That's a pretty cool one. And you have different ratings. You have app block and normal tracking. So don't know what the exact difference between it is. It's the same URL and everything, but alright. But for example, we'll do that one. Alright. Alright, well, I hope in your case it goes a little bit faster and better, but here we are. Here you have the web analytics, and here you have the behavior tracking. So I'll do this, and I'll say add list, and I'll do this, and I'll say add list, and here we should have multiple lists, and we do not have lists. Why do we not have lists? Alright, awesome. I'm guessing it will go in there. Here we have the two lists, here and here. So accelerators, let me just make this screen a little bit bigger. Here you have a couple of normal ones. So you have email the page with Windows Live Mail, see it on map or translate it. Here you only have Bing. Of course, they only have Bing. Why should you have other ones in there? And then you have some toolbars and extensions. And I've blocked most of these, but yeah. So extensions is to be able to use Silverlight, for example, as an extension, and accelerators like an add-on. Here you have 5 more accelerators. That's the last thing I'm going to show you, as I'm getting pretty annoyed by Internet Explorer in general. So this won't be as nice as video as the other one, but yeah. So here we have, here they call it add-ons, and on the other one they call it accelerators. It's whatever. Alright, so you have Weight Watchers, for example, but here you can do I don't know, utilities. I hardly ever use this one, so they're like no utilities. Alright, that's awesome. Alright, social media. Alright, so you have share on Facebook, that sort of stuff. Hardly ever anyone makes these things for Internet Explorer, as well, basically Internet Explorer is old news. I mean, a lot of companies use it still when they make their applications, and I would suggest try and make them for other browsers. And there's nobody that wants to use this one anymore. But alright, this is you can get some pin sites. I don't think you can pin these. No, see, so you can group tabs, that you can do, but you cannot do a pin tab. I think you can. What you can do with the Firefox. So here you can only get tabs that are already pinned. So yeah, I don't know what deals with that one, but alright. So that's it for the whole of Internet Explorer. So go to iegallery.com and find out what you need, and I'm gonna stop it here.